Hello and namaste to my wonderful friends. I'm Eve with the Baby's Booty, and this video is one I've been avoiding for over a month now, actually about 2 months, and it's in regards to a change that is coming to YouTube. And I did not want to be one of those creators that come on and sugarcoat things or completely lose it, so to speak, because these changes are pretty serious. So, to keep from having a clickbait type title, I clearly want to state that no, I am not stopping my YouTube channel. I absolutely love being here on YouTube and teaching here on YouTube, so that's not going to happen, not because of COPPA anyway. So what is going to happen with this channel and how is it going to affect our videos? That's something I do want to cover with you all, as well as let you know of a change that is going to take place of something that I am going to do with this channel. So if you stay tuned, we'll get right into it. As I mentioned, I'm not stopping my YouTube channel. Why is the need for this video even necessary if that's the case? Well, a lot of you watch more than just me on YouTube, and I definitely appreciate you guys watching me on YouTube. I definitely appreciate that. But I don't know if you've noticed on any of the other YouTube channels that you've been watching, a lot of them are making this exact type video saying that COPPA, C-O-P-P-A, is changing YouTube and it is changing channels, and folks are talking about leaving YouTube in droves. All right, and let me explain to you a little bit about what that is, why people feel that way, and why leaving YouTube is even an option for a lot of them. COPPA is a new law or a new regulation by the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission, and what they're trying to do is protect children who happen to be online and happen to be using online services. So part of the problem with having children online, it was found that the ads that are on YouTube videos and cookies that are on YouTube videos, in order for people to have personalized ads targeted to them, in order for that to take place, there are cookies in use on YouTube, and of course, information about your browsing history and the types of videos that you watch are on YouTube. That's a part of the cookies as well. And what that does is lets you guys know, for instance, if you watch my videos and you enjoy my videos in regards to embroidery, for instance, then on the what to watch next panel should be quite a few other embroidery related videos that go in harmony with mine. Or it could be another one of my videos that's suggested in that list over on the side. Either way, that's the whole point in how YouTube caters these videos to you and make sure that the videos that are suggested or the videos that show up in your requested channel or suggesting, saying, hey, you should watch these next, that's why that's there. Well, the problem is children under the age of 13 legally should not be targeted. They shouldn't be, websites shouldn't be collecting their information. They shouldn't be targeting ads to these young ones because they're under 13. They're not old enough to make those types of decisions, and they could be compromising their personal information, which would make it easier for predators to prey on these young ones, or unfair advertising and things like that. So what's happening with YouTube and the FTC is they are requiring YouTube to say these videos are targeted to children 13 and under, whereas these videos over here are not targeted to children 13 and under. The gray area that I'm in is number one, because I have the little rubber duck as my logo on YouTube, which, if you've noticed, has changed. It should be changed by now anyways. And then the little theme song that plays whenever my videos load, you know, showing what the video is about. Well, people can take a look at those two elements by themselves, and probably the light purple color theme of my channel, and say, hey, this is being targeted to children under 13. It's a rubber duck, it's a toy, so this is for children. Theoretically, the folks who scan these channels should see my channel and see that I'm using industrial equipment that is clearly not 13 and under friendly. I'm using heat presses at 400 degrees in sublimating objects, clearly not for children under 13. Using cutting machines that maybe kids under 13 can use, but I'm not using any of my equipment to do anything for children under 13. It's just, even the single needle 4x4 embroidery machine technically could be used by someone 13 and under, but it's really not for that age range. And if a person was able to look at the analytics of my channel, they will see that the majority of the people who watch my channel are in their 50s or 60s, not 13 and under, not even 13 to 17. I don't have 13 to 17 teenagers don't watch my channel. You know, this isn't for them. This is for us mature people and older people who are trying to start a business for themselves and make money using high quality industrial equipment. What 13-year-old do you know that can afford a $7,000, $8,000 embroidery machine? I rest my case. So unfortunately, though, as I mentioned, there may be powers that be above me and beyond me that may say, well, no, still, you got that duck, and that duck looks kind of kitty, so we're going to mark your channel as child friendly for 13 and under. I don't use profanity. I don't show violence and all of that other kind of jazz. So, you know, in a way, whatever. And if that's the case, who am I to argue? The downside to that, though, is this, which is really important. And this technically is the main reason why I'm even making this video. The main reason is because if YouTube or the FTC deems that my channel is appropriate or aimed towards children who are 13 and under, then one of the first things they're going to do is turn off commenting. So you won't be able to comment on my videos anymore. All right, which kind of sucks. But if there's something you would like for me to know, you can email me. Or if you have a question, you can email me. It's easily in the description below how to contact me, via email. So you can email me. So that kind of is a bummer that they're going to take commenting. The other thing that they're going to do is they are going to stop notifications. All right. So if I upload a new video, you won't know. If I go live, you won't know. All right. The only way you will know either of those things taking place is, you know, Sundays, 8 p.m. for the most part, I'm here going live. But if I'm late, or if I go live another day, you will not be notified. All right. So that kind of is a downer as well. And anytime I upload new content, you would have to just come and check on your own to see if there's new content. Again, inconvenience, and I totally get that. But again, what they're doing is trying to avoid targeting certain videos and channels for children under 13, so they're not able to track and keep cookies and stuff and let normal people, everybody else, know, hey, this channel has new content or this channel is live. Again, it's a protection that's being put in place for those 13 and under. Again, now my channel really shouldn't qualify for the 13 and under crowd, but if they deem to choose to list it that way, there isn't anything really that I can do about it at this point in time. There's no way to say, I disagree, you need to re-review my channel. There's not a way to do that. One of the main reasons, though, why so many channels are looking to go away from YouTube or stop their channel altogether is because those channels that are deemed fit for 13 and under, or targeted to 13 and under, those channels will not be able to run ads anymore. So they're getting what's called demonetized. Yes, my channel is monetized. So for you wonderful people who take the time to watch my videos and endure those 30-second ads, or even if you click to skip the ads, either way, part of an ad was delivered to you, and YouTube does pay me per click on those ads, or pay me per time that that ad is watched. And I do make a little bit of money off of that. It's not a whole lot, but you guys know, or I've told you that, like, right now I'm still undergoing a pretty traumatic situation in my family, and unfortunately that includes loss of income. So now more than ever, my channel and the little bit of extra money that I make out of my business is even more important than what it already was, because I need to make sure I can cover that loss in income. So to be demonetized from that little check that I do get every month from YouTube, from you awesome folks who take the time to watch, it's gonna suck. To put it quite simply, I don't depend on that check, but right now that check would have been really great, especially considering that check would have been great, especially considering what I'm dealing with. So at the end of the day, though, there's more than one way to skin a cat, and where there's a loss one place, I know there's always an opening made elsewhere. I prefer to give my information freely. I prefer to teach you freely. I prefer to show you all of this wonderful equipment and how it works and how you can use it to better your business. That's the way I choose to do, is to give it freely. So because of that, because that's the way my channel has always been based, no matter what. I mean, because I was doing videos earlier and wasn't monetized and wasn't getting a dime. Why am I going to change that now? Just because there's a possibility that the monetization will go away on my channel January the 1st of this coming year. So at the end of the day, I'm not going to stress. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm still going to deliver this content to you all. I'm still going to have these free videos. I'm still going to do my lives on Sundays when I can manage to get them done. And that's not going to change. So I wanted to put this video out there to be sure that you knew where I stood, and that you can rest assured that this channel is still going to be here for you. It's still going to deliver the quality content that you come to love. It's still going to teach you valuable things that you can do to either increase your business or increase your knowledge in embroidery, and to give you the guidance that you need. All right, that's not going to change. Also, the hoop group is not going to change. The hoop group is still there for those who wish to take advantage of it. It's on my website, thebabiesbooty.com, and you can click on hoop group. You can join. I don't sell your information. I don't advertise anything on the members list. I don't sell your emails, nothing like that. I appreciate those who are a part of the hoop group, and please continue to utilize that for your questions, to share your projects, and just to overall have a really good time. Now, on to the thing that I do intend to do to help cushion the loss of the monetization come January the 1st. My end goal is to create a podcast, a video podcast, that is, where we can do what's being done similarly on Sundays at 8 p.m. But it's type of subscription based. I also want to be sure that those who really want the information, who really need the information, who really want to support this channel above and beyond, and to make sure that this channel is cool and okay, I'm grateful for that. But I would like to do just one step more. It'll be more specific information based, and it will be a subscription based. It's not going to be expensive, because I totally understand, especially right now, that you cannot always afford to kick out a certain amount of money per month. All right. But in this instance, for those who really truly want that extra little tidbit of information, I want to make that happen and try and offset what possibly could go away for me as of January the 1st. So just something to give you guys an update on not only the status of this channel, but also the future of this channel, as well as some new things that I'm trying to implement for the benefit of this channel, and also a personal update as well, to let you guys know I'm managing and trying my best to take it one moment at a time. I can't even take it one day at a time anymore, y'all. I'm taking it one moment at a time to make sure that I'm doing all I can to maintain some sense of stability, and you know, just keeping my family happy and safe. That's where we are at this point in time. So again, thank you for those who have been full supporters of this channel, and we have more awesome stuff coming down the pipes with Redline, y'all. I am so excited for what's in store. And you know, these guys have gone above and beyond to, you know, help me understand the equipment and give you guys an awesome deal with the equipment, so that you can be benefited by having industrial equipment with your business, and not just domestic equipment, but equipment that's meant for you to work and work hard with it and make good money. So I definitely want to show my appreciation to them, and Conde Systems as well, dietrans.com, for their sublimation goodies that they constantly send, so that you guys can see sublimation in action. I actually have a project that I need to be recording for something special that includes you guys, especially the ones that I've met in person. So I'm over the moon to showcase that one. I'm really excited about that project. So that's coming as well. A lot of stuff on this channel for you all. Is not going anywhere. This channel's still going to be here, monetized or not, commenting or not, notifications or not. It's going to be here, and it's almost to the point, even if the notifications are turned off, if you guys opt in and you're okay with it, I can shoot out an email campaign and say, hey, a new video is up, or post it in the Hoop group and let you know a new video is up, or post it on my Facebook page, new video is up, you know, and let you know. So those things that YouTube are implementing, not that big of a deal. Not that big of a deal. The thing that might be a big of a deal is if the FTC finds a video and they feel like it's for 13 and under, y'all, they are talking about fining people $42,000+ per video infringement that they find, that they come across. If you don't mark your video, this is targeted 13 and under, and they feel like it is, $42,000+, like $42,530, something ridiculous number that they came up with, that they're talking about fining creators who upload videos like that. So a little bit of a scary, uncertain time in YouTube history, but I'm not really worried about it. If a fine comes across, I'm gonna fight it one way or another. But at the end of the day, this channel is for y'all, and I appreciate those who continue to support us here at The Baby's Booty. So until the next time I see you guys, I hope you have happy embroidering. Thank you for your support, And I look forward to giving you more awesome content for many years to come.